Best motorcycle for beginners: Honda Rebel 300. Motorcycling, with its promise of freedom, adventure, and the thrill of the open road, has always held a special allure for individuals seeking an exciting and unique mode of transportation. For beginners, stepping into the world of motorcycling can be both exhilarating and daunting, making the choice of the right motorcycle crucial. The Honda Rebel 300, celebrated for its accessible power, user-friendly design, and beginner-oriented attributes, emerges as the ultimate motorcycle for those embarking on their journey into the world of two-wheeled freedom. With its balanced performance, classic cruiser styling, and rider-focused features, the Rebel 300 provides an ideal platform for beginners to begin their journey of skill development, excitement, and motorcycling without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Honda Rebel 300 lies a capable 286cc single-cylinder engine. This engine is tuned to offer a harmonious balance between power and approachability, providing enough performance to make riding exciting while ensuring a gentle learning curve for beginners. Classic cruiser design and aesthetic appeal. The Rebel 300 boasts a classic cruiser design that pays homage to its larger cruiser siblings. Its timeless lines, minimalist fairings, and distinctive styling elements embody the essence of cruiser culture, appealing to riders seeking a stylish and visually appealing motorcycle. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also take pride in the Rebel 300's classic aesthetic. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its cruiser appearance, the Rebel 300 is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a comfortable and upright riding position that ensures ease during both relaxed cruising and daily commutes. The well-padded seat, mid-set handlebars, and forward footpeg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and maneuverability. The Honda Rebel 300 is celebrated for its responsive handling and maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, winding roads, and varying riding conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is a paramount concern for beginner riders, and the Rebel 300 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to master the motorcycle. Urban commutes and relaxed cruising. The Rebel 300's versatility extends beyond urban commutes. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between daily city commutes and leisurely cruises, all while enjoying the motorcycle's cruiser-inspired and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand and the Rebel series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for motorcycling and the Rebel 300's classic attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda Rebel 300 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Budget-friendly riding. The Rebel 300 offers an affordable entry point into the world of motorcycling. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and Honda's reputation for reliability ensure that riders can enjoy motorcycling without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 300 exemplifies Honda's commitment to providing the perfect motorcycle for beginners. With its accessible performance, classic cruiser design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Rebel 300 offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of motorcycling without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Honda Rebel 300 as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for style, freedom, and the joy of conquering the open road on two wheels.